G'day guys, it's Rob from TAT. Just want to share a little diagnosis that we had recently. Stick with us. So basically this Ford Focus ST170 came in with the customer complaint of running for about 5, 10, 15 minutes and eventually it would just die and you would lose power to a whole lot of things. You wouldn't be able to use the push start button, do anything at all. And I won't show you the whole diagnostic process or explain that to you, but what I do want to tell you is how it was caused. And basically, the body control module is powered by 250 amp fuses on the side of the battery, and one of those fuses was just slightly touching. It was just worn down enough that when it would get hot, it would go open circuit. And we think that the body control module was drawing too much current because of water intrusion. And we found the water intrusion, as per a technical service bulletin from Ford, that the windscreen washer motor that's under the right-hand front headlight actually leaks into the connector, and that water through that connector, through capillary action, goes up into the cabin and into the engine connector that goes onto the body control module. And you can see here with the corroded terminals and the corroded pins, obviously we had an issue there with the wiring, and who knows if that created a bit of a overcurrent situation and partially started to disintegrate that fuse. Obviously after the repairs were done, because there is a rare repair kit for this vehicle and this exact problem with a new windscreen washer motor, new body control module, new connectors you splice in depending on how bad the intrusion was, rust and such. And obviously we replaced those fuses and everything was fixed after that point. So I thought that was relatively interesting. I just wanted to share that with you just in case you get a Ford Focus. I don't know how many the range of focuses that this applies to, but something to put in the knowledge bank. So thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you next time.